The school started some time back. This is actually the second iteration of the national school. So we had another one in March, but the whole movement in Kenya started in 2020 around July. And this came about because of the increasing demand of community networks in Kenya. We realized that the need of internet is increasing. So people have come together in underserved and unserved areas.
Children and youth have a right to quality education and opportunities, but that is not the case in Mathare Slum, where majority of youths don't finish formal education, and there is no proper facility to ensure that kids access quality education.
So basically, as KGGO2, we are starting a conversation. This conversation is very important because, one, we have people of different diversities, people of different and people with different needs. So, which means we are trying to ensure that these people can be able to have good knowledge, and we ensure that our people are also as par with other parts of the world.
The aim is just to make sure that we talk matters that relate to community, where we come from, and how we can use digital tools to change the lifestyles and also to change the stories that are happening outside there.
There is one that is working with farmers. So training farmers in their local dialect, how to identify diseases using technology, and also looking for remedies for treating these crop diseases. And that is a basic example of what community network is able to do, identifying a challenge and turning it into an opportunity, and that way empowering your community, making it even more strong.
The community school has been very informative. We started with peer-to-peer mentorship in 3 parts. That is sustainability, to ensure that our community network is sustainable, and content development, another path, to ensure that the content you're developing is relevant to our community. And the last but not least is infrastructure, which is one of the most expensive item, putting up the mask or internet accessibility.
It is important for the youth to engage in such trainings because these trainings offer them new knowledge and skill set for them to be more advantageous in the marketplace.
Including the women in the community network space, I think it's all about bridging the gender gap in the digital space.
So for community networks, it's very important, while understanding the people that you're working with, also to understand what kind of engagement do different group of people need, so that the network is not just very biased on one side, and that it's not a one perspective or one reality just benefiting on the network, but also but just having everyone engaged in co-creating the network that they want.
What I've learned so far in this training is that there are more to organizations than just an organization being an organization.
I'm taking so much. I'm taking new models, new experiences from different community networks.
I've just been so impressed by the work that people are doing. It's so inspiring to see all of the really good work that people are learning.
Gathering here today, and we are looking towards as community initiatives. How do we build our communities? How do we ensure that at the end of the day our communities are able to get good internet, so that they're able to bridge the digital divide and serve the underserved communities?
There has been growth in terms of the number of initiatives. Part of it, I think, was a result of the pandemic, where people began to see internet connectivity more than just a luxurious thing for them, but really a lifeline to access to education, healthcare, as well as livelihoods.
So for the future of TunapanaNet, we are looking at like connecting more houses, connecting more individuals, organizations, and women groups, because they have seen the need for the internet, but they are not able to afford it. So we are coming in to bridge that gap.